Hello. When we think back to our childhood toys and the things we enjoyed playing with the most, we realize that a lot of our childhood memories center around the time we spent playing with our dollhouse. Dollhouses are the kind of toy that are still very popular, but that have changed extensively over the years. We think the modern store bought ones look like a lot of fun, but we can't help wanting to make our kids a custom homemade one like we had when we were little. That's why we have been on the hunt for DIY dollhouse options all over the internet lately. Are you feeling just as intrigued as we are, if not more, by the concept of learning how to make your very own dollhouse? Check out these fantastic ideas, designs, and tutorials that you have come across so far in our search for inspiration and guidance. I remember when I was a kid, we used to get together with our cousins during the summer holidays and have loads of fun. We used to try all kinds of experiments that time, including making mango ice cream, nothing like making someone something together for maintaining lifelong bonds. One thing we always attempted making was a dollhouse, and we used cardboard boxes for the most part. It was a joint project where each one was assigned different tasks, making the roof, the furniture, the curtains, and to think that we did all this when there was not YouTube. However, today we do have the internet, which gives us access to lots of amazing DIY dollhouse ideas. Kids today also have access to more craft supplies, and you can now put them to good use with our amazing DIY dollhouse ideas that can be made with different kinds of materials, loads and loads of fun guaranteed. So, whether or not you were lucky enough to get your own dollhouse, you know how major it is in a kid's childhood. While store bought dollhouses are pretty much the dream, DIY houses hold so much more love and memories to them. If you are looking for some dollhouse inspiration, we have got you covered. In this video, more than 40 different amazing ideas have been covered. I hope you loved it. For more videos, keep visiting the channel. Thank you so much.